Hello grade 8, how are you? Today we are going to start with Unit 4, our planet 4b comparison. Our lesson is about comparative and superlative in the workbook page 43. So please open your workbook on page 43. Here we have long and short adjective. First of all, we are going to talk about long and short adjective. What is the difference between long and short adjective? Greece is hotter than the UK. Look at this sentence. Greece is a subject. We have subject, is verb, hotter than comparative adjective. The UK is a noun. So here we use than to compare Greece and the UK. We use than to compare two people or two countries or two things or two animals, etc. So we put subject, verb, comparative adjective, than, and noun. Okay. We use than to make comparative, as we said. The lion is more dangerous than the giraffe. Here, the lion is a subject, is verb, more dangerous than. Okay. Why we put more than? We put more than because dangerous is long adjective. Okay, so dangerous. Look, dangerous. It has 3 syllables, so it's long adjective. And when we have long adjective, we put more and then. More before the adjective and then after the adjective. Okay? And another example, my notes are better than yours. Better, better. Okay? What is the main form of better? Better is irregular adjective. So the main form is good. Good is irregular adjective. So in comparative we say better than. Okay? It's better than. Let's look at the table. We have short adjective, hot, slow, big. As we said, a short adjective has 1 syllable, hot, slow, big. In short adjectives, we add er plus than, hotter than, slower than, bigger than. As you see here, bigger, we add double G because we have vowel plus consonant. And hot, the same way, we have vowel plus consonant, we double the consonant, okay? And long adjectives as generous, powerful, we say more generous than, more powerful than. And irregular adjective as far, farther than, it changes, okay? Good, better than, bad, worse than, okay? And here we have quantifiers, few, much, many, or a little, okay? Few, fewer than, much or many we say more than. Okay, so this is all about the short adjective, long adjectives, irregular adjectives, and quantifiers. Now let's look at number 1, page 43. Okay, let's look at number 1. Complete the table with the comparative forms. Okay, we have the adjective, the comparative. Here we have short adjectives, tall, large, hot, early. And long adjectives, powerful, spectacular. Irregular adjectives, good, bad, far. Quantifiers, few, much or many, little. Okay, so as we said in the previous page, I said tall, taller, large, larger, hot, hotter, early, earlier, powerful, more powerful, spectacular, more spectacular, good, better, bad, worse, far, farther, few, fewer, much or many, more, and little, less. Okay, this is all about number 1. Correct it. And number 2, look at the text. Complete the fact file. Use the comparative form of the words in brackets. Fact file, comets and asteroids. Here we have comets and asteroids that we see in the sky. Okay, comets are made of ice and pieces of rock. Asteroids are made of rock and metal and are heavy. Okay, Number 2, most comets are much big than most asteroids. You can find asteroids close to the sun than comets. If comets get too close to the sun, they melt. So you can only find comets much far from the sun, where it is cold and ice doesn't melt. Comets are bright than asteroids because they have long white tails. Comets are rare than asteroids. There are hundreds of millions of asteroids in our solar system, but far few comets are only about 4,000 for this reason. Asteroids are dangerous as one of them is likely to hit the Earth. Now let's look at the answers. Number 1, heavy, heavier. Number 2, big, bigger. Number 3, close, closer. Number 4, far, farther. Number 5, cold, colder. Number 6, bright, brighter. Rare, rarer. Few, fewer. Dangerous, more dangerous. Likely, more likely. And this is all about number 1, number 2, page 43. Please do these exercises and check your answers.